developer, not before AI came around. So if you don't know how to code, you're going to see exactly how I build bots. I launch stuff with AI and I show you literally everything over the shoulder. I've been doing this for over 1,100 hours here free on YouTube. So there's a ton of stuff you can learn. And I also have this free resource here that is infinitely deep that gives you the whole roadmap of algorithmic trading. But you can see here's one of the bots that we launched today. I give out free ChatGPT twice a day here inside the Discord. You can learn about that there, but make sure that you stick around for this whole short video because I'm going to show you the actual day in the life of an AI algorithmic trader who builds trading bots all day long in my bedroom. It's us versus Wall Street. I promise if you stick around for this entire video, you're going to see absolutely everything that has, including you. I'm going to show you the actual day in the life of an AI trading bot developer that did not know how to code before. So if you don't know how to code exact bots, I launched stuff with AI and I show you literally everything over the shoulder. I've been doing this for over 1,100 hours here free on YouTube. Ton of stuff you can learn, and I also have this free resource here that is infinitely deep that gives you the whole roadmap of algorithmic trading. But you can see here's one of the bots that we launched today. I give out free ChatGPT twice a day here inside the Discord. You can learn about that there, but make sure that you for this whole short video because I'm going to show you the actual of an AI algorithmic trader who builds trading bots all day long in my bedroom. It's us versus Wall Street. I promise if you stick around for this entire video, you're going to see absolutely everything and see how anybody that has access to AI can do this, including you. All right, so this is back test here. You can see that while the buy and hold is 8.7%. So I definitely want to work on a bunch of ideas of this back test. Moondev.com roadmap and read. If you're curious about algorithmic trading. But first, I want to go ahead and work on my grammatical evolution here and say 11:15. Yesterday's bug. Yesterday's bug. I have a new idea. I have a new idea. Pull fresh run. Maybe a file is off or something. Okay. So how do we do that? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and make a GitHub here and go to GitHub here, GitHub, and let's get the link here. Click add, click clone repo. I think I can do it like this. URL here. I'll just choose here. So we'll call this November 15th GE. That file. Dude, I can't do it like that. It's got to be November 15th GE. It's got to be no capitals here or whatever. Clone into there. Okay. What? Can't clone it. She talking about Willis? Yo, 777, dude. Much love. What's up with you guys? Fam? 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 Create a new repo here. Okay. Let's go ahead and say clone repo here. URL. Okay, clone it. And then GitHub. Choose path. Put in that November GE here. And we'll call this nothing. November GE here. Clone. Dude. Can't get it. Can't get it cloned. Okay. We're gonna try a different way then. Download the folder. Cause I'm a noob. Dude. Lots of liquidations. Come morning. What else? What else? Every day people be gambling. I don't get it. Just download the zip here, and that will be here in a minute. So you can see these liquidations coming through. Be careful out there, fellas. Careful. Careful, dude. All right, so what I'm gonna do here on the desktop. That's cap. I'm not gonna open it on the desktop. 777, dude. Building a trading from a submitted transaction found on Solidus. I can get TX confirmed. Why? Dude. Yo, Wishy, what's up, dude? Send you a lid. Ruthlessly, dude. Okay, so I'm gonna GE here. And there. Cursor, new window. So there's an error yesterday, and essentially I'm trying to tear the evolutionary algorithm here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to debug it real quick with a different set of tools here. And code sets here. Let's go to data sets. Make sure we have all our data sets in here. So let's grab our data sets that we want to have. 5 because I was probably the 120. So like here, both the slide. We got to go to the fitness function. Dude, I remember this now. I'm now. I'm on when I can't get me out this game. You don't even know what we looking at, bro. Come on, step on the gas. Max fitness. Okay, we gotta change this path, dude. Let's try the floppy path. Okay, all right. Interpret this T-flow, bro. Okay, what we need to search here. Listen to prompt. So on this change, and you know what? I'm just gonna try to run this first. Just so path. Free ChatGPT in 11 minutes, by the way. CD Conda activate T-flow, and then let's just try to run this real quick. I don't think it's gonna run it. I think I'm missing a step or two, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what's next, dude. We'll see what's next. Pony G2. Okay. String object is not callable. Okay, so this is in the search loop. I have to update my search loop. I knew it. Big lick, big lick, big lick. 314,000, dude. A lot of cash being lost today. People shorting with leverage, people longing with the leverage. I don't know why, dude. You're not gonna win that way. I'm sorry. You know that. You're just all your time. You're gonna lose all your time. Spend your time coding, dude. Please, please, please. Another liquidation, dude. You're not gonna win this way. I'm telling you. You're not gonna win. I'm telling you. I'll tell you all day. You're not gonna win with leverage, bro. You're not gonna win. Someday you're gonna get licked. I promise you'll be on that screen, dude. Please be careful. Careful, dude. Careful. Careful, bro. So let's get to this source here, and then what was that? Algorithm search loop. And I'm trying to compare these two search loops here because I did something different. Multi-core, pool, close, okay, params, okay. Generations, set multi-processing, that looks fine. Pool init, args, okay, individuals equals trackers dot state, okay, individuals here. Population size, that looks the same. All this looks the same, really. Evaluate, okay. Cores here. Wait, where's that? Search loop, if params. If params multi-core. Not sure about this one. Get the 300K in your bank. How does licking work? Is it like leverage or risk? It's their whole trade amount. I don't know what their leverage is, but it's it's not looking good. Not looking good for those, fam. So the search loop looks a little different. So let's check out the evaluation and the initialized run. So utilities here. Utilities and algorithm. Initialize run here. So let's go there as well. So that was in utilities. Algorithm. Initialize run here. That's what we needed to change, dude. Pulling it. Found it. So remember that. Initialize run. This is where I sometimes need to change Windows code to Mac. Okay. I save it. I saved it. All right, we should be Gucci now. Okay, there we go, dude. Nice, nice, dude. Okay, so I need to just change my I think I figured it out. Sweet, dude. Change my search loop. Let's go here to Pony G2 algorithm search loop. Algorithm search loop. And let's change this search loop here. How about that, dude? Because this has some differences in here. Big time. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this from the other one. Say, man. Say, man. What you up to today? Okay, test run. Test run. Okay. Let's go ahead and CD into that path here. So copy path. CD up in there almost. Kind of activate. T-Flow, bro. T-Flow, bro. T-Flow, bro. Activated. Come on, you activated yet? Are you activated yet, dude? Okay, so see, there's something different in my environments or something. So that's no bueno. So okay, when I get a new steps, when I pull a new pony GE2, one, swap the fitness function data. Two, swap the line of code in um, initialize run. Okay, let's go ahead. Also have that on our README. I think I figured it out though, so I'm gonna beta test this a little bit more. Beta test it. What are you talking about, though? What are you talking about? Okay, so let's go ahead and test this now with a different data set. So let's try the 240. And let's go ahead and kill this. Run it back. Run it back. Mood. Mood. What's your mood like, dude? My mood good, P. My mood good. I love it here. I'm so grateful to be here. So grateful, dude. I'm so grateful. Let's try the 120 because I don't have the other one in there. If this works, dude, we are taking off, bro. Okay, dude, I think this is Gucci now. So, what about the 60 minute? Does the 60-minute work? If all this works, bro, then we're good. We're golden. Golden, dude. We are golden. This is the golden zone, dude. Put the women in there. Let's put the 240 up in that B. And we got the 120. We got the 5 minute. We got the we got to get the 1 day up in there. Got to get the 1 day up in there. Got to get the folds up in there, dude. Got to get the folds up in there. You got the folds? I got the folds. 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 Got the folds. Got the folds. Okay, now I'm feeling fly, bro. Now I'm feeling super fly. Okay, now I'm feeling so fly. You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do, dude? I'm feeling so fly right now. I'm about to run it up on Lambda. Let's go usage. Let's see how much I've spent so far. I'm feeling so fly about this. It's working, dude. We got it. We got it Gucci now. Now I can run it. Thank God. I've been fiending. I've been fiending to get some of these running, dude. I've been fiending, dude. I've been fiending, B. Come on. Oh, you know what though? I didn't test the right thing. So before I launch this, cheese Louise, dude. Cheese Louise. I didn't test the right function. Grammar file. 11.8. I need to test it 11.8. I gotta make sure this 11.8 working. You know? Gotta make sure that 11.8 working, dude. See? It's not working. Damn. Good thing I didn't do that. Good thing I didn't do that. Dang, dude. So it's just a new grammar. It's just the new grammar, dude. Okay, so
I'm not negotiating with myself.
Yeah.
The deal was already made. The deal was made when I set out at the beginning of the summer and said, "This is the training plan I'm doing." I signed that contract with myself. I'm doing it. Throughout that process, you'll start talking to yourself like, "Man, I think I need to, maybe if we, nope, no, this is
No
non-negotiable."
yeah.
I mean, is that with no other test though? Let's go ahead and grab this real quick and paste this in here, but then put the new grammar in there. I think it's exactly the same. So grammar file. I got excited, dude. I was about to launch that. I was out here about to launch it, dude. Oh, so maybe it has something to do with something else. So does this work now? Shit, dude. What the heck? Okay, so I have something very weird and I need to talk to somebody much smarter than me about this. So let's go on over to AI about that. By the way, ChatGPT. I said I was gonna give a free ChatGPT a day. Every day I want to give away 2 free ChatGPTs. So we're working on the announcement for who won today, but or yesterday. It was the first day. But you can go here to moondev.com, get the roadmap resources, and if you go to the Discord community, you can see that I give away 2 free ChatGPTs to the 2 MVPs. So I give 2 paid ChatGPT. So you get O1 and all that stuff, dude. You just got to be the MVP of the day. How do you be an MVP? Join the Discord. Add value. Fire in the chat, dude. We're all quants. We're looking for edge. Add value. If you add value to the chat, dude, you can get a free ChatGPT subscription. Moondev.com. This also has so much value on it, bro. It's a whole roadmap, resources, dude. I give you everything. I give you everything. Okay, so step 1. I have a weird problem. Let's go ahead and figure that weird problem out real quick. Because that's what we do around here, dude. That's what you do as a quant. You just figure out problems. You're just a problem solver. So I have a weird problem. When I run my GE with the first command, you can see it works. This has an old grammar that I was using. It's fine. But when I changed to the new grammar, it broke the code. You can see that in the second command. Please tell me what's different about these 2 commands that may be messing up the run. Okay, so this is command 2 here. And I just don't really want to like try to compare them. I know I'm just being lazy, but it is what it is. I'm a lazy mofo. And whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is, dude. I'm gonna get the job done. I'll tell you that much. From analyzing screenshots, here are differences. The first grammar uses this one. The second grammar uses this one. This change in grammar could introduce new rules or syntax that are incompatible. In the second grammar, an error appears about multiprocessing, pickling. The error occurs when there are objects that cannot be serialized, pickled. Structure of the grammar. If the new grammar has different codons or units that modify how production rules are handled. Verify the grammar file. Check the new grammar file to ensure that it's compatible with multiprocessing. Isolate the multiprocessing flag. He said, can I get an OpenAI key? What you need it for, dude? What type of, you gonna add value to the chat, dude? If you add value in the Discord, I'll pay for everybody's AI. That if you throw ideas in the Discord, bro, that's what it's for. I'm down to give you whatever. Open AI key instead. You know, ChatGPT is like $20 a month. So I don't know. We could talk about that later. But you know, add value. Another banger with 23 viewers. Oh my God. I'm glad. I don't want a lot of people up in here, dude, because I don't know. It gets a little crazy sometimes. Gotta focus, bro. So much love, much love. 777. Let me get this done. I want to see what the differences are. So I'm gonna go back. She was no help on that one. She didn't spot the difference. So this one works. Working. Okay. And does this one work though? So where is that? 1114 search loop working. No indicators. No ends. So the no ends works. Does this one work though? And the thing I need to change here is this one. Just the grammar file here. Okay. Does this work? That would be fire in the chat, bro. That would be fire. Be fire in the chat if this works, dude. Dude, it does work. So what the F is different? This one doesn't work. Not working. I probably just got a typo, dude. You know it's a MoonDev mistake. You know a MoonDev mistake when you see one, dude. Python.py. Okay. Fitness function. Max fitness number cache. Number cache. Grammar file. Generations 3. Cache. Multi-duplicates. Multi-core. Save all. Crossover probability. Yo, what's the difference between these two? Besides this. And this. I mean, right? Am I right or am I right, dude? What's the difference between those two? Okay, so is this one different? No ends. V 2024 1108 PY BNF. Population size. Generations 2. Cache. Multiple mutate duplicates. Multi-core. Save all. Crossover probability. Dude, what the F is going on here? I must have a typo somewhere. Because if this one works, I'm just going to lose my mind, dude. This one works. What are the differences here? Okay, so that's so weird. I can't see any differences between these two, why would one work and not the other? File corruption. That doesn't make sense, dude. These are the exact same. Look at this. Look at this, dude. Okay, we run this one. Okay, let's run this one first. And it's gonna work. Okay, and then this is the exact same one. Oh, that didn't work. So maybe it just doesn't work sometimes? What? So confused, dude. Okay, now they both don't work. Perfect. At least they both don't work now. That's so weird, though. This one looked like it worked, right? That one works, dude. Oh my god, dude. And then let's try this one again. No, that one does not work. Okay, let's try this one again. So what's the difference here? This is the... Now this one works. Dude, this is very strange. This is very strange. Very strange behavior. So... I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna actually just make a video of this behavior. That's interesting, to say the least, I'd say. Very interesting action here, so... Very, very interesting action. I think this was that video I just made. I was just making that for my... And Max Fitness number cash. It's inside of... All right, so I want to give you a quick rundown of Pony G2 and how it works. This is the fitness... That's not it. All right, so this is a pretty interesting backtest here. You can see that it returns 30% while buying all the things. Did I not record it, bro? I found something super weird. Okay, so this is pulled directly. Weird bug in GEs. Not every time. And this would be November 15th, November 15th, part 1. Okay, so I have this video now, and I'm gonna go ahead and send this to the Odd Squad because, you know, that's like gonna be a better way to do this. Copy link, Dropbox link. Okay.
Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life.
Don't waste it, dude. Don't waste it. Okay, so I think that's that, and I'm not gonna launch this yet. I'm not gonna launch it because of that problem. So let's put this one here. Mm, I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna say that on the notes here. I'm gonna wrap that part of today up, and that was good. So today I figured out there is a weird problem with the. Oh, I didn't look at that though. The GE where some runs it will work, others will fail at the pickle. I made a video of this. Okay, I made a video of this for the Odd Squad to check out. I'm not running any more on Lambda until this is fixed because it costs 500 a day, 343 a day to run. Need this to be Gucci first. Check back in. Check back in tomorrow. Now I want to review mathematician. Okay. So we got a PhD on the squad, dude. I'm just trying to get every resource that I personally can in order to help this whole thing move forward. Check the code and hear my thoughts on rewriting strategies in Rust. It is possible to generate similar strategies, functions in Rust in a similar way. It is done in Python at the moment, but Rust will require compiling those functions before executing. Compilation plus execution can take the same amount of time as running in Python at the moment. I do not think that this is the right way in order to speed up strategy generation and execution. Hmm. In the method evaluate, generate data called, but the result is static. In this sense, it does not change between calls. We could do it once and reuse test data. I noticed that in trading strategies, import a module happens inside the module, the function, like here. Okay. When I moved import outside function, it runs 3 times faster. There is no need to import these modules for every trading strategy. I see several places where the code can be improved. In order to do those improvements, I need access to Git because making such changes locally without source control does not make much sense. No, you don't. Um, I need to learn how to do this ASAP. So let's just start learning this. So I need to learn how to work with Git better. So, okay. Yo, what happened to Claude? Where'd it go? Settings? Cursor settings? Where'd my Claude go, shorty? Models? Claude 3.5? Why they got turned off? That's weird. Sonnet. 1022. Okay. That's super weird. So I currently am working on a GitHub project, and um big licks, dude. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Big licks, dude. A milli. Millie off the rack, dude. Damn, dude. Killing those fools out there gambling. Moondev.com has the free roadmap resources. How to become an algorithmic trader. You get access to our Discord community, which is GOAT level. Free chat GPT up in there. Let's get it, dude. So I'm working on a Git project, and I have two teammates. One who I have been working with for a while, and the code we built together works great. Now I am also working with a mathematician to help improve some of the functions, but to be honest, I don't know his capabilities yet. Sure, he's a PhD, but what does that really mean? I don't know. So far, moving way slower than any non-PhD, anyone. PhD doesn't mean ish. I'll tell you that much. Um, how would I go about using my GitHub with the new math guy? I don't want him to touch the working code but I'd like him to be able to access the freshest code from me and my trusted dev. He mentioned something about branches, but I'm just not good at GitHub yet. Please walk me through how to manage that mess. Trusted, but I do the math in order to make a branch or whatever the best way managed would. Things when several people are working on the same source code. That is the main purpose of systems like Git. There is a thing called branch. You can look it up, and this is independent of the source code. Everyone working on his project independently, and when you're done, you can merge. Okay, just want to read. I want to learn. So read this. Review mathematician, GitHub, and GT. I'll help you set up a safe workflow for collaborating with the mathematician while protecting your stable code. Here's a straightforward approach. Main branch protection. For merging, require your trusted dev's approval. Do not allow direct commits to main. Create a development branch. Show me in desktop, dude. Okay, maybe not. So create a development branch. Git checkout main. Create and switch to a new development branch. Git pull. Checkout B for the mathematician. Create. How do I do this on desktop? Or GitHub desktop? Because I'm a noob, dude. This intimidates me. I get scared of GitHub. Let me walk you through this with GitHub desktop. It's much more visual. Thank you, dude. Because I'm scared right now. I get scared of GitHub. Easy, bro. So create development branch. Okay, so let me walk. Step 1, protect main branch. Do this once on GitHub website. Go to your repository on GitHub, click settings and branches. Okay, so go to settings, code, insights, go to settings. The F is settings, dude. Settings, found it. Settings, branches, click add branch protection rule. Type main in the branch name pattern. Main. Check the boxes I mentioned before. What boxes, dude? So in the GitHub Protect, you'll want to change from disabled to active. Okay. Then after clicking active, you'll see additional options. Require a pull request before merging. Require approvals. Require a pull request before merging. These are my options, dude. I just use AI for everything in life. Guide me. From here. Require pull request before merging. Okay, found that. Block force pushes prevents any forcing changes to prevent accident recommended require a pull request block force pushes. Even there, require signed commits. Oh, block force pushes. Restrict deletions. Connect. Okay. Save changes. Create. How do I make have to buy these?
What kind
Gotta move to a GitHub team organization. F you GitHub. Oh, you got me. Um, this will be called by accept pay monthly. Yeah, dude. Yo, I will fuck this. Sketch. How sketch is it to run without these rules? Cause they force to use them. It's not much. I like trust people too much. Private repository limit. Here, create clear documentation. Not very sketch. For open source, pretty sketch. For commercial, very sketch. Current situation, relatively safe. So how do I How do I ensure to keep backups in case one dev goes deletes repo, or if other utilization? Sorry, dude. Not hey, GitHub. Sorry, buddy. Get me today. No way. Hey. We're gonna go here and collaborators, add people. Let's go ahead. I want to look at that one more time here. So let's go to new window and PonyG. Where's here to master prompt pool and it? Pool is dude. Protect yourself against this pool and it. Find it. Pool and it. Where is? Hmm. Search the. No, where? This is so the master initial. Okay. Algorithm. See here, algorithm source, not in the fitness, but in the algorithm. Initialize. That's right. Let's go look at utilities. Source. Utility. Excuse me. Dude, here, I was listening to one. Some DG the fifth and board get a free. Get one day, 2 per day. Hey. Things weird. Full access only? No, thank you. Appreciate you adding that, dude. Yo, what up, Rybear? How are you, dude? 777. He said price discovery for BTC. Moondot, he said Moondot, first time viewer, big fan already. Thank you, dude. Glad you're here. Hey, yo. 777 Grok, what up? Do you have a GitHub repo for sharing these bot or nah, not really. How do you get the chat GPT? Go to moondev.com and jump in the Discord. Yo, Dre, 777, dude. Good to see you, bro. Do you have LLMs linked to your bot? Nah, but I use LLMs. Big time, dude. We big time LLMers over here, dude. LLMing all day. Mm. Mm. So maybe this is the bug here, dude. Actually, this is fire. So let's go here and I'm gonna try that out. No, that's not gonna work. Why have you imported params inside the? It is done in line 8 of the code. Yo, what up, dude? You can suggest for algo trading, or are you? I'm using OpenAI and Claude. Yeah, public models. We all got access to the same thing, dude. We all got access to the same thing. All right, I'm an idiot, but it's all good. Pull init function. Okay. Oh, I'm an idiot, dude. No, I'm not an idiot. I'm just new, bro. I'm not even that new anymore, though. Can't keep using that. I'm just new, bro. You can't be using that 4 years in, bro. This boy crazy. Now it works. Work stuff. I love this game, bro. It's so humbling. This game is so humbling. So humbling, bro. Blessed to be here. Really. I like getting humbled, bro. I don't know anything. Mm. It's all working. Let's try it again. That coffee good, boy. A coffee in my cup is so good, dude. Not working, it says.
The deal was already made. Deal was made at the beginning of the summer and said, this is the training plan I'm doing. Sign that contract with myself, doing it. You know, throughout that process, you'll start talking. I think I need to, maybe if we, nope. Not negotiate.
So the above worked 2 times in a row, then didn't. So same issue. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close this. So we're still stuck on this issue, and that's fine. That's okay. It's okay to be stuck, bro. We're gonna get through it. I want to go ahead and keep reviewing this. Made a change, but it didn't help. I essentially marked out this line because it was a double import. Double import. So that was my bad. That's okay though, because it still didn't work. And that's okay too. That's okay, bro. It's okay. We're gonna get this figured out. I wonder if it ever works on this one. That one worked. Okay, let's run it back. That one worked as well. That one worked as well. This is all working, dude. I don't want to give up yet. Because these seem to be working. Let's try this one. That worked. Let's see if it can do it 5 times in a row. 2, 3, 4. This one worked 4 times in a row and didn't work. See this one here. This is so odd. This is such odd behavior. See what I'm seeing, dude? So it works. Okay, let's see if it works. Does not work. Works. All right, I'm gonna try this on Lambda because uh I'm gonna try it on Lambda just because this might solve the issue. It might not. I don't know. We'll see. You can see I spent 500 every time I launched this, so it's like expensive. So that's why I don't be running it like crazy. Let's make a new file system here. Create new file system here, and we're gonna call this GE November. Create file system. Okay, so sweet. I'm not gonna launch this. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient until this is fixed. So let's go here, save that. Okay. And I'm gonna say that. Now I just wanna go over some PhD notes here. So the main challenge is backtesting. It's parallelized multiprocessing, number of workers. So I'm just reading over this review here. Said maybe we can link a bunch of computers together, but I don't need to think like a broke boy. I'm gonna run it up on Lambda. Okay, well, sweet. Well, I'm gonna pivot now. So that was awesome. We did a little review of what happened here, and I'm gonna save all. Actually, I'm not gonna close this because I'm a hoarder. I'm a hoarder. I'm not gonna close that. Okay. Now I want to get into this backtest here. So let's. I can close this one. Let's close some things. Let's close some things. So buy, sell fast. You are dead to me for now. No, this is my copy trader. So let's check in on the copy trader. Let's do that. Okay. So just day in the life for the rest of this time, dude. I'm not like splitting out videos or whatever. It's day in the life. Every day is day in the life. You can see everything. I'm gonna be flipping from evolutionary algorithms to Solana. Sorry, dude. It is what it is. It's the only way I can make content. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm sorry, and I just can't be. I can't be a YouTuber. I can't think it through. I can't make organized videos. I'm not gonna make short, concise videos. Sorry, dude. Y'all here? If you like me, you like me. If you don't, it's okay. Then for all those people out there that are like Moondev, please make short, concise videos. Come on Fridays. I do a 20-minute overview. Come on, dude. Check in every Friday at 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. Eastern, dude. We got the whole for the short and concise needers, the people that need short and concise videos. Every Friday, Zoom call. You can get in next Friday, maybe. It's a application only for inner circle calls every day, every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern time. And it's actually 5 UTC, so I'm just gonna delete that. Yeah, dude. So if you want to join the inner circle, that's that. You can try to apply. It's not for everybody. I need to change this to be that. So let's change that real quick. Okay, perfect. Every day I'm just gonna show you the day in the life of what I actually do. I need because it's UTC be tripping. So if you don't know how to convert to Eastern time, can't help you. Haha. I try, but I be messing that up too much. So I'm gonna change that to 12 Eastern, and yeah, dude, is what it is. So at Eastern for 12 p.m., 12 p.m., 12 p.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Eastern. Okay, that should be good now. I gotta make sure that the type form, it's application only to those short, concise Friday calls. You won't be able to come today, unfortunately. It's too late, but maybe next week. Maybe next week, dude. If you need the short, concise stuff, dude, moondev.com, it takes you there. You get there if you want, but if you don't want, that's cool with me too. I ain't trying to convince nobody on nothing, though. Never. Get licked, bro. Get licked, bro. Get licked. Get licked, dude. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Fly the moon's inner circle. Here it is. Just making sure that doesn't say 4 p.m. anywhere. Okay, sweet. That's all good. That's all good. Okay, perfect. So this should now be updated to just say 12 p.m. Eastern. It's the inner circle. Hey, it didn't update. That's okay. Maybe I didn't update the right one. I did. I did. It's just gonna take a while. Chopper that boy out of here, Moo Dang. Moo Dang. What is I love seeing this when it's like divergence, I guess. Yeah, divergence. So Mudang is getting, oh my god, $2.2 billion liquidation here on BTC right there. God damn. What are you doing? Mudang just liquidated upwards. Dude, Fartcoin going crazy, bro. There's some stinky stuff over here, B. Stinky, stinky stuff. This is directly pulled from the copy bot that I need to go look into right now because that copy bot is my seed investor. Dude, it's really crazy. Really crazy. The things we build out here. We build all this live for free, dude. It's all free. Everything here, dude, is free. And you see, look at this. The literal copy bot that we built together is going crazy. Where is it? Where the heck is that copy bot at, dude? It's right here. So it's going crazy, dude. We built this together. Let's see where it's at. Come on. It's at 874, dude. Ha. So many haters come through and be like, Moondev, your wallet's down. Okay. Women, you do you, dude. I started this at $200, March 2024. So it's up 4x. And I'm literally not touching it. It's no hand trading, bro. No hand trading, dude. So you can see it called out Fartcoin for me, called out Jamcat for me. Now, what else? So Nvidia and Solana. Let's see what that one's looking like. I've heard mumbles about that actually, and that's how I'm using this, dude. Not like I'm not gonna play the game like everybody else plays the game. Sorry, dude. I'm a dog, dude. I'm a dog. Show you it all. Me and you. Okay, so Nvidia on Sol is one that's in my wallet, and I've heard a lot of murmurs about murmurs. Nvidia is the highest market cap in existence. Interesting. Okay. Well, how's the volume doing? 35 seconds, 25, 72 seconds. The volume here is 1.44 million volume. How bad is it down? It's down bad, dude. It's down bad. But this is, I don't know, dude. Cool game we're playing here with this Solana sniper. It's not even a sniper, but it acts like a sniper. That's one thing I really want to do today. New endpoint. Oh, I gotta look at that top traders endpoint. Look into this. Look into this ASAP. And then I also want to go ahead and build out that Python tool for Peanut and Act because those came out of nowhere. Those came out of nowhere, dude. Okay, what is going on with this stuff, dude? Fartcoin going crazy from the copy bot, dude. It's already taking profits. That's the thing. Let's go look through my wallet here. Yeah, I'm sorry, but this is the new way I'm making content, guys. I'm sorry. I know I just went from evolutionary algorithms to Solana shitcoins, and that's just who I am, and that's what I do every day. So there's not, yeah, public service announcement. There's not going to be a theme to any video anymore. It's just Moondev again after every day. If you want to come, come. But if you don't, then don't. I don't care. Literally couldn't care less. I couldn't care less if you're here or not, dude. Except for Wishy. I love Wishy. And Jane. And Whitney. And Trent. And Boogeyman. And I don't want to start this list because I love you guys. I love you. If you interact with me, dude, and you throw 777s, dude, Rico. I think Rico's always here. We got people that always are here. Texa, dude. I feel you guys heavy, bro. Krishna, I know you're up in here all the time, dude. So I don't know. I just want to keep doing this, bro. Rohan, what's up, dude? What are all the screens? Check out the Moondev right here in the bottom left, the roadmap and resources, dude. Just found you. Love the channel. Thank you, dude. Wishy, feeling good. Good to see you, bro. Hope the process speeds up.
You might have more talent than me, you might be smarter than me, but if we get on the treadmill together, right, there's two things. You're getting off first, or I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
It's really that simple.
It's really that simple. It's really that simple, dude. Come on, I said free ChatGPT. Go to the Discord, dude. Go to the Discord, be the MVP, and you get free ChatGPT. All right? I'm gonna announce the winners here on like Sunday or something. So every day. So by Sunday, there should be a few winners. I'm giving away 2 a day, and there's not like that much activity in the Discord, dude. Come on, go be the MVP. The MVP. What is the MVP, dude? So in Discord here, let's go here to free ChatGPT in the Discord. Yo, so this is how it goes. I believe code's a great equalizer, and truly think if you learn how to code, then you'll be able to build anything for the rest of your life. I thought this before AI. Now AI is more important to learn how to code because then you'll be able to accelerate whatever you're trying to build. So I want to pay for your ChatGPT subscription so you can build faster. The rules are simple. Every day, our team of mods will look through the chat and the members chat. We have 2 chats, the chat and the members chat, to see who the MVP of the day was for each chat. Those 2 people get awarded a free month of ChatGPT, including O1 access, dude. Step on the gas. And if you continue to add value in the chat or members chat, you can keep free access. I'm paying for your ChatGPT for the next month. The idea is to reward those quant researchers who spread value and love. This program starts today, and the first 2 winners will be announced on Friday's stream. And every stream onward. Every day, there will be 2 winners of a ChatGPT subscription, paid in full by me for the first month. For a month, dude, and you can get it again if you keep adding value. So just go to the Discord, be a great quant researcher, lead with love, add value to others. We can build this together, dude. It's us versus Wall Street. Go to the Discord. Here it is, moondev.com. Go start adding value. What's value, dude? You decide. We'll judge. You decide, we'll judge. And I'm going to let this go for a couple days here, and then I'm gonna give out a bunch of different. I'm gonna give a bunch of winners here on Sunday. I know I said Friday, but you know how that goes. On Sunday, the first, what is that? So we got Thursday to Friday. So let's say Friday's winners, Saturday's winners, and Sunday's winners. Or Thursday on the winners for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That is 6 total winners. 3 from the chat and 3 from the members chat. Read more above, but each day we pick a MVP from each chat to get a month free of Chat GPT. Okay, perfect. So on Sunday I'm gonna do that just because, yeah, we just got started. So okay, now you can see this is my Solana copybot here, which is doing well, and I haven't even really tried. That's the funny thing about it. But I think, the markets are going up, so it's just like, don't toot my horn too hard, dude. Thanks, though. Appreciate you. So let's open up some of these transactions here, dude, and look through them. Make sure everything's looking fine. If everything's looking fine, there's one update I want to make. Oh, I want to look through that as well. So yesterday's results. Okay, new endpoint. Okay, I also want to look through the top traders, not top traders, the God, what is that called? The top ranking ones. So let's go ahead and open up that copybot here, and I want to look through these transactions first. Let's do one thing at first. So you could see I sold this token for $85. So I bought it for $4 and sold it for $85. That's fire, dude. Stop it. We built this here free. Okay, this one here sold for $3.74. So a little bit of a loss. This one here, I got my money back, $4, because I'm putting in $4. This one here is a buy. This one here is a buy. And this one is a sell. Okay, so these look fine. Bot is working fine. We have 11 open positions. I want to look through these tokens here to see if there's anything I should be aware of. Again, this is like my seed investor, if you understand what that means. If you don't, then go Google it. Jamcat here. So already took profits on Jamcat. This went from 4 to like 300 or something. Built it all here live on YouTube. It's all on YouTube, dude. So this went crazy. Insane. You can see we bought it down here, got like a 33x or whatever. Okay. But what is it? What is this is the question. Can't stop jamming. Won't stop jamming. Deck screener banner updated. XT exchange intern. Jamish market cap. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why that went crazy, but it is what it is. I'm not going to look at FartCat because I'm obviously very well informed by that, because we got informed by FartCat. Look at this, dude. When did we buy FartCat? Fartcoin. It should be called FartCat though. Dude, this isn't it. Fartcoin. So this bot already took profits, already took like a couple $100 in profits because it bought it down here, dude. They bought it down here and we watched it go 18x and then it came all the way back. But this is what I'm talking about. This is why, like, I think this is a seed investor. That's why I'm looking for more like this. I want to see things drop off like that. That's why I got excited about NVIDIA on Sol, dude. All these are going to zero. Be careful, bro. Go read the disclaimer, dude. I am not your guru, all right? I am not your guru, dude. Read the disclaimer. Pause the video right now. Read the disclaimer, dude. I am not your guru. I don't know anything. I'm in the trenches with you, and I'm going to get liquidated if I do this stuff, all right? So you will too. Just be careful. That's why I was excited about NVIDIA on Sol, because it's doing the exact same thing about that Fartcoin did. But you know, this is the same thing that it goes to zero. So like, it means nothing. It means nothing. This is just like, it is what it is. Okay, so Worm. Why is Worm popping like this? Deep Worm, immortal digital life in the worm form of a worm. Interesting. Well, let's go ahead and just open it up. Twitter here. Get licked, B. Deep Worm has moved to Deep Worm XYZ, an internal on-chain digital brain, self-informed, indestructible, and powered by biological neural networks. Deep Worm is making autonomous money real. Today, we began the groundbreaking journey. We're bringing the neural architecture of blah, 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 blah. Okay, well, it's cool. I'm not like, they didn't get me. They didn't get me, so I'm out. I'll let my copy bot keep it. And I don't change things. Like, the bot is botting. That's it. The bot is botting. That's it. So Gort, his name is Gort. Seems stupid. The #1 TikTok squirrel. These are just tokens in my wallet that some have taken profit already, and they will sell when they hit their target. So Jamcat already hit his target. It took a profit of the target is like 30x or something. So $4 to, it went to like 200 or something. It took profit, and now there's still some left because I leave some in there. TikTok squirrel, again, another one just from the copy bot, dude. So I like this copy bot, to be honest. It's like, it's my eyes on the street when I don't have them. You don't have to be watching all day. I don't have to be in the trenches like y'all, like stressed out in the trenches trying to look at Pump Fun and stuff. No way. I'll let y'all boys play, and then I'll just go sweep the copy bot side, you know? Tukey, what is Tukey? The most retarded bunny. That was funny. The most mischievous bunny. It's got a bunch of people that I following him. Owner San Juan Smokehouse. What? I'm about to go there, dude. About to go there for real, for real. If you're in Puerto Rico, I want to meet you. Come down to taste the smoke. Oh, snap. Yeah, I've been here before. Definitely been here. It's good. I like it. I like this a lot. I'm gonna follow that dude too. I'm already following him? Oh yeah, that's why. Yeah. Cool. Okay, so the most mischievous bunny here. I don't know, like, what's the point of this, but Tukey. It's in my wallet, so Goatsius. What's Sui? I've never seen that before. I just like to be aware of these things because this is the game we playing, dude. I mean, half of it at least. I know I'd be going from the most like intellectual shit to this brain dead stuff, but it's kind of fun. It's a fun little back and forth. The grammatical evolutionary algorithms, dude, that'd be making my brain go crazy. And then you go over here and do brain dead stuff. It's crazy. Fazil says, bro, kid ate all of my bread again this morning. You finished yet? Nah, dude, step on the motherfucking gas, though. If you got kids to feed, don't be a fucking hoe. Step on the gas. Don't be looking for me to help you out, dog. 777. You got kids to feed, dude, and you up in my chat asking me for help, dude? Get up out of here. Go feed your kids. You better die for those kids, dog. If I had kids, dude, I would be working 2 times as hard. You was here for 8 hours yesterday, and you got off before I did, blood. You got kids to feed. Come on, dog. Step on the gas. Step on the gas, B. You got mouths to feed, and you up in here chatting, trying to get me to go do it for you, dude. I ain't feeding your kids. No way. Step on the gas, dude. I swear to God, when I have kids, I swear to God, you're going to hear me. You're going to see me twice as long because I'm going to be feeding those kids. All right? What up, Rico? How are you, bro? Good to see you, dude. I was just talking about you. He said they adopted. Oh my God, you funny, bro. He said they adopted though. Okay, they adopted. So yeah, I'm gonna be up in the YouTube chat instead. That's funny, dude. What's GCE, by the way? Congrats, bro, on the interview. That guy's funny. Fazil's funny, bro. Fazil's a funny guy. Glad he's here. I'm glad all you guys are here. All types of different personalities up in here. All types of different personalities up in here, dude. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful place, really. I love it. I love it. We all think a little bit differently, but we're all interested in the same stuff. So 877 is what the wallet said. That's fire. Um, so dude, I feel like we started the copy bot. Let's see what time we started the copy bot at. Cause, yeah, dude, the copy bot. When did we start that at? That's the real question. How much was it at? Because we had the sniper before. So starting balance is 631. So not really that crazy. We're up 10-7. So it's been about a month and it's up that much. Okay, so let's go here. I haven't been working on this at all. I just look 1029. Literally haven't touched this in 15 days. So let's go through 11, 15. Go through the top wallets and also add a few new ones with the tool to look at the initial buyers of any token. Okay, so first off, let's go through top wallets. Top wallets. I might delete some or something. Let's go see what is going on. Data, I think. I haven't been here in a minute, dude. I don't even know how I set this up, bro. This is crazy, dude. CSVs. Bots to study. Oh, snap. I haven't even touched the MEV yet, dude. Stop it. All trending ever. Cut. Leaderboard. Leaderboard here. Okay, so, well, I'm just going to chop off all these hoes. Not all of them, but I'm going to chop off these. Out. Okay, so let's go to my README. There are some really good wallets in there. There are some great wallets returning a lot, but I'm going to delete the ones that are -10 and more, as they have been running for a couple weeks now. Okay, so I'm getting rid of these ones here. Anything under 10, yeah, let's get rid of these. README. Okay, so how do I get rid of them, dude? That's the question. So wallets to follow here. Cut following, leader, token addresses, people to follow, maybe. Nah, that's not it. Trending tokens, all trending, bots to study, lick data, cut following, funding, leaderboard, lick data, new launches, new token addresses, new token hours, OI total, recent TXs, top trader, wallet tokens. Where are these, dude? Trades. So filtered, maybe. Let's see. Go through the logs yesterday, see if it improved land rate. Okay, working on buy and sell, updated. Both buy and sell. My hand's itching right now, dude. To do, updated that. Okay, big win, updated. Close due to volume. I could just look at the bot. That's all I do. I coded this so I could figure it out, you know? Analyze picks. Oh, I haven't been buying. My bad. I'm missing out on some stuff, dude. Whatever, bro. That's so silly. I haven't been buying in the last couple of days. I was wondering. Recent TXs. So run main here. Okay, in here, and let's see what it is pulling in. Get tokens out. Main here. Cut following. So cut where change this at. Head here and say remove these following. Let's go here and say copy, and then let's go to cut following here. Cut following. Cut following. Cut following. Okay. Then we get the wallet address. Okay, so please remove any of the rows that have this wallet address. Must have a analyze pics OG by create copy CSV cut following. Nice, dude. I'm used in the past to keep DF is in wallets to keep. Where is wallets to keep? Oh, how does this code work? This I think it just actually I'll explain it. Reason original flow, okay. Leaderboard without headers to okay. After the original data keep rows and okay, I see how. Let's go ahead and if I can go to the and eat these, so it'd be about 13 lines. Okay, let's go here, cut and run it, and then it should for the new cut up. Okay, so let's go to cut fall and hopefully that's enough and sick. So now I can run this bot again. Dude, running it for the last day. I guess it's been a day, so it's not crazy. But where is that going? Oh, it's right in front of my. Okay, so it's just been managed last day. So probably it is what I don't care. I don't care. So follow here to watch. Okay, bot close, and then let's go to following the only good ones. Go in the leaderboard. CSV and delete the ones we want to anymore, and Then following .py to cut to make a new follow dot so that we follow. Okay, so that's done. Perfect. So now I'm gonna so bot is running. It is running. Now go through those tokens. You have 2 weeks. I want their initial buy. So I have okay, Act and there's Peanut. Both of those I did not even I didn't even hear about until they were on Binance. So my P's and Q's, and it just is what it is. So Peanut here, Peanut. Peanut the squirrel. Okay, what was the other one? Act. Is this it? Which one? Act. This must be 43. Both of these are like what? So I need to throw in there that you think are, you know, I've already got like the Mudangs and the whiffs, and, you know, the OGs and stuff. But I'm buyers, and I can do that by saying initial buyers somewhere. We got this code here. Up following, buy, sell, picks, buy, sell fast, copy, cut, filtered wallet. Look at Wix. New launch price refund tool scam stopper supercycle.py stop. How does this one work? X's you do file. I feel like it was one of the first things I built. So let's go. So Burdock reference plan to do overview work token price possible homeboys wallet copy bot. Where is that file? Our path below. Piano. Look at that Jita. My win rate is only 8. These guys today past it. Where is this dude? Super cycle maybe? Will hit the list of tokens. It checks if portfolio price. No. Main dot trade picks data is filtered. Fast picks. Analyze picks as picks. Okay. Older. Let's get picks by sucker. Cut their day. New launch. Refunds operator. Soul. Expect that under will draw. I all these most go to 0. There are some new tokens from so allow the best way to get. Let's get with look. This isn't track. CSVP. I put. I can't because too. I mean possible. So copy of course. Transition and look at it, but you can. Anyway, send messages on there. No way. So part 1 here. the code. Part 1 here.